Cap, that's him.
Today we have a serious conversation. We will count with you some stones on the main Marvel Universe antagonist's glove from Hot Toys. So hello everyone, and if you watch the review to the very end, you will find out who actually defeated Thanos. Holding the collectible Thanos, one way or another, we recall the Hulk figure, although it is more massive, but still the figures have similar functionality. The Titan's muscles are also made of elastic polymer and the hands have the same movement. In general, mobility is free, plus articulated fingers on the glove. Authenticity is amazing. Thanos is recreated perfectly, and do not let yourself be fooled by lipstick on the box image. And the interchangeable head immediately explodes consciousness with the high degree of an aggressive face details. There are 3 different hands in the set: a tense palm, a fist, and a simple open hand. The left hand is in the glove with moving fingers, but there also is another left hand, with a fully bent elbow. And of course, lights are included. The lighted up stones are amazing, but the brightness of second arm for some reason is the less, either due to the design or, most likely, as it sometimes happens, Hot Toys put a depleted battery. Anyway, the hand is just what you need for good posing, and, by the way, the glove can also be changed on the second one. A big figure has a big stand. The Hot Toys made the stand with 2 surfaces and with a transparent stick holder. And if you want to recreate the atmosphere of the Thanos' extinct planet, no problem, expand the additional background. So, from the Infinity War movie, we have a 1/6 scale collectible Thanos, with 41.5 centimeters high and 20 movable axes, for not to be bored and recreate frames of epic confrontations. And, to the point, Hot Toys are more than pleased with this figure, and indeed with the whole line of the Infinity War figures, much of which we managed to play with. Thanos himself is alive and powerful, and with good accessories. The sponsor of the review is the TUOS store. Subscribe, share, there are always new items.